All right, we're going to be replacing this section as a split end. First, you take the shock cord and you give yourself some slack by pulling it and holding it. And you can use either a vice grip or a hemostat or tie it to something, or even just have a friend hold it. Take the push stick, push the shock cord so you can get it. Done with that. All it is a washer on there that's sized so it can't be pulled through. There's the washer. Old one off. New one on. Retie the washer. I like to do it with just a quick little figure 8 knot. Doesn't matter really what you do, and then release the shock cord gently. All done.